Welcome back to Shift Zone, the place where we explore the latest cars, real-world performance, and everything that matters to drivers who want value, style, and reliability in one package. Today on Shift Zone, we are taking a deep look at the 2026 Chevrolet Cobalt, a sedan that continues to be a strong choice for everyday drivers while stepping into the future with smart updates and improved comfort. The 2026 Chevrolet Cobalt carries forward a familiar identity, but it feels more mature and refined than before. The exterior design shows subtle evolution rather than a complete transformation. The front end looks sharper with a more confident grille design, cleaner lines, and updated lighting elements that give the car a modern presence on the road. The proportions remain practical, making it easy to drive in busy city streets while still looking solid and well-balanced from every angle. Chevrolet has clearly focused on making the Cobalt look fresh without losing the simplicity that made it popular. From the side, the 2026 Cobalt keeps its straightforward sedan profile, but small design touches add character. The body lines flow smoothly, improving aerodynamics and giving the car a more premium feel than its price might suggest. The wheels have been updated with new designs, adding a sporty touch without being overdone. At the rear, the taillights are cleaner and more refined, completing an exterior that feels modern, functional, and suitable for daily use. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Chevrolet Cobalt focuses on comfort, usability, and practicality. The interior layout is simple and driver-focused, ensuring that everything is within easy reach. Chevrolet has improved material quality in key areas, making the dashboard and door panels feel more solid and pleasant to the touch. While it is not a luxury car, the Cobalt delivers an interior that feels well thought out and durable, ideal for long-term ownership. The seating in the 2026 Cobalt is designed with comfort in mind. The front seats provide good support for daily commuting as well as longer drives, while the rear seats offer enough space for passengers to sit comfortably without feeling cramped. Legroom and headroom are balanced well for a compact sedan, making it a practical option for families, ride-sharing, or daily travel. The trunk remains spacious, allowing you to carry groceries, luggage, or work equipment without any trouble. Technology plays an important role in the 2026 Chevrolet Cobalt, and Chevrolet has made sure to keep it relevant. The infotainment system is more responsive and easier to use, featuring a touchscreen display that supports smartphone connectivity. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration make it simple to access navigation, music, and calls directly from your phone. The interface is clean and intuitive, ensuring that drivers can stay connected without unnecessary distractions. In terms of performance, the 2026 Chevrolet Cobalt is built to be efficient, reliable, and easy to drive. The engine lineup focuses on fuel economy and smooth operation rather than aggressive power. Acceleration is steady and predictable, making it ideal for city driving and highway cruising. The transmission is tuned for comfort, providing smooth gear changes that contribute to a relaxed driving experience. This is a car designed to make daily driving stress-free and economical. Fuel efficiency remains one of the strongest points of the 2026 Cobalt. Chevrolet has worked on optimizing engine performance to deliver better mileage without sacrificing reliability. This makes the Cobalt an attractive option for drivers who want to reduce fuel costs while still enjoying a comfortable and dependable vehicle. Whether you are commuting to work or taking longer trips, the Cobalt is designed to keep running costs low. The suspension setup in the 2026 Chevrolet Cobalt is tuned for comfort and stability. It handles bumps and uneven roads well, providing a smooth ride even on less than perfect surfaces. Steering is light and easy, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces effortless. On the highway, the car feels stable and confident, offering a balanced driving experience that suits a wide range of drivers. Safety is another area where the 2026 Cobalt shows improvement. Chevrolet has equipped the car with essential safety features to ensure peace of mind. Standard safety systems are designed to protect occupants and help prevent accidents. The structure of the car feels solid, and visibility from the driver's seat is good, allowing for better awareness of surroundings. These elements come together to make the Cobalt a dependable choice for families and daily drivers. One of the key strengths of the 2026 Chevrolet Cobalt is its value proposition. It offers a combination of modern design, practical features, fuel efficiency, and affordability that appeals to budget-conscious buyers. Chevrolet has focused on delivering what matters most, avoiding unnecessary complexity while improving the overall quality and experience. This makes the Cobalt a strong competitor in the compact sedan segment. The 2026 Cobalt is especially appealing in markets where reliability, easy maintenance, and cost-effective ownership are important. Chevrolet's reputation for building durable vehicles adds to the confidence buyers feel when choosing this model. Spare parts availability and service support further enhance its appeal, making it a smart long-term investment for many drivers. Overall, the 2026 Chevrolet Cobalt is not trying to reinvent itself, but it doesn't need to. It builds on its strengths and refines the areas that matter most. With updated styling, improved interior quality, modern technology, and efficient performance, the Cobalt continues to be a practical and trustworthy sedan. It is designed for real-world use, offering comfort, efficiency, and reliability in a balanced package. That's the 2026 Chevrolet Cobalt, a car that proves simplicity and smart improvements can go a long way.